with the video, you can see week to week the different use, whether it's an Amazon or a Dakota, how they're using the parking lot that you just built for them, or if the flow of traffic is working, or the progress of the light poles being installed. Interior progress, which was priceless because I could just pull up the video and see, all right, where are we at? But safety was also a big point as well. We could monitor safety, quantity of workers, progress of office build-outs, progress of lighting installation. And then when you fly the roof, you absolutely can see every piece of where we're at on the roof. I mean, whether your air handlers are installed or your roofing's complete. We flew 3 buildings. I think it's 65 acres or something. We were able to give reports to Ashley Capital real time, weekly. They could see every stage of the job, and then we built the video history of the project, which pays off when your owner lives in Florida.